All right, so I'm gonna talk a little bit about what we're running. This is another tractor that I've never seen before. So this is a Ford, I think it's a 445 industrial tractor with a front end loader. So all we do with it is load hay. Bought it a few years ago at a sale. Funny story was, me and Bruce were standing there selling this little tractor, and they're selling. And he looks at me and I look at him, and we both said, "Are they seriously? Is that all they're getting out of that tractor?" And he looked at me and said, "I think I'm gonna bid one time." So he bid one time on this tractor. They sold it to us, and everybody in the crowd argued with them that they didn't have any money on the tractor. So sometimes if you're standing at a sale, you can buy a jam of a little tractor. We did have to do some work to it. Bruce put kingpins and stuff in it. I think he rebuilt the steering valve on it too. But it has been money well spent. We're loading on the Hayliner self-dumping trailer. This tractor is old school, just very simple. Let's see if I can show you. So there's the shift pattern on it. That's what makes it really nice about being a loader tractor. You actually have two reverses in every range. So you have a low and a high range, and then you have first through third gears, all you got in the low side. But with it, you got two sticks for your remotes. This one here is tilt for the bucket. This one's up and down. And a lot of people say, well, that'd be really aggravating to run. But the way they're plumbed, this one, if you're going up or down with it, the bucket curl in and out is the alternate direction. So you can take there and run with your fingers like this, and you can do with one hand or the other hand and run the loader, and it's not a joystick like the new ones. But it's a little different. You get used to it. But so far, jam up little tractor. But just want to talk a little bit about what we were running today. About the little tractor. It's a 3-cylinder diesel, I think is what it is. It's a diesel, good little tractor. So let me set you back up. I'll throw the last bells on, and then we'll hit the road back to the farm. Alright, to unload this Hayliner trailer, all you gotta do take your bin over here, put your bin back in, Usually they'll fall right off. The problem right there is they're designed to haul 10 bales. They don't recommend that you haul 11. But I have figured out that you can put 11 on one. And when we're shoveling hay like what we are right now, I always just stick 11 on. Just makes it easier. But when you haul 11, they'll get hung up on the front or on the back, or they won't fall all the way over. But super easy way to haul hay. The best part is you don't have to worry about them falling off the trailer. We bought this. I was needing another way to haul hay, and I bought this trailer because I got into selling a bunch of hay. And if you sell hay, you know that customers don't always have what they need to unload with, or it's not always convenient for them to be there to unload you when it's convenient for you to haul. The good thing about this trailer is I don't need to wait on them. I can tell them, hey, I'm going to deliver your hay on this day, and you just need to leave me the money in the envelope somewhere where I can find it. I'll drop your hay off. It'll be there whenever you get home, and it works out really good. I said back in the summer, the biggest mistake I made when I bought this Hayliner was I didn't buy two of them. When I bought this one, I could have bought two for the price of what they are right now. It's a little aggravating to get around with. I'm about the only one that pulls it. I think Bruce has pulled it. Maybe he's pulled it one time. I don't let a lot of people pull it around. So, all right. Well, that wraps up the hay shoveling for the day. Thanks for tuning in to D&W Farms. We appreciate you stopping by. We'll catch you in the next video.